I want to share with you how to make the most delicious coffee fudge. Easy recipe, it only takes 10 minutes to make the fudge. If you like coffee and you like fudge, then this is for you. To a pot, add half of a cup of sugar and 2 shots of espresso, that's 1/4 of a cup. If you don't have coffee machine, then add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee and 1/4 of a cup of water. We're not gonna mix the syrup by hand, but we're gonna pick up the pot and swirl in the air, and that will mix the syrup. If you do it by hand, then you're probably gonna get those sugar crumbs in the fudge, and that's not good. The syrup will start to boil, and we're trying to melt the sugar completely. So you're gonna pick up the pot and watch if the sugar is melted. You can see there are no sugar crystals in my syrup. It's clear, and that's what we need. Then add 2/3 of a can of condensed milk. Make sure you're not adding the whole thing because it's gonna make a huge difference. Mix it up and let it boil for about 3 minutes. The syrup will start to thicken, and make sure you're mixing in between because it might start to burn. Mine was bubbling like this for 3 minutes, and then I added butter. Add 1/4 of a cup of butter, that's half of a stick. The butter will melt, and then you'll mix for another 3 minutes. And here you can add either 1 cup of chocolate chips or 1 cup of dry milk powder. Milk powder has less sugar, so the fudge will be less sweet. But it might be harder to find milk powder, so you can add white chocolate chips. Mix it well. Here's how you can test the fudge. You can get a little piece and try to form a ball. And if a ball forms easily, then it's a great fudge. You have the right consistency. Make sure you're lining your container with parchment paper and transfer the fudge. Let the fudge cool down in room temperature. Don't put it in a freezer or refrigerator. And that's it. Let's slice it and I'll show you how it looks. This fudge is really good. If you like coffee, if you like fudge, then definitely try it. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you again soon.